Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance
Hello. My name is Roshonda, agency owner of the Isom Insurance Group, located right here in the Sunshine State of Florida. And I am back. Welcome back to another Quick Bite episode, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, 2025. And we've got an eye-opening topic that could completely reshape the way auto insurance works and how autonomous vehicles might actually boost insurance company profits and what that means for your auto insurance rates. Buckle up or let the car buckle itself up because this one's a ride. Now, picture this. You're cruising down I-4, sipping your iced coffee, scrolling TikTok, and your car is doing all the driving. No speeding tickets, no rear-ending someone because you sneezed, no texting and driving crashes. Sounds like auto insurance would drop to pocket change, right? Well, not so fast. According to this article, Bank of America's analysis say the reality is a lot more complicated. And spoiler alert, it could end up padding insurance companies' profits more than lowering your bill. Now, here's the scoop on this article. Right now, drivers like you and me are personally liable for accidents. But in a driveless future, there isn't really a driver. Liability shifts to the manufacturers and the software developers. Why does this matter? Because auto insurers typically lose money paying out liability claims. In fact, the U.S. auto insurance industry reported underwriting losses of over $30 billion in 2023, mostly from liability and bodily injury claims. If they can hand that hot potato over to car makers, insurers could finally turn liability into a profit center instead of a loss. That's a big shift in the business model. So you may be asking, so what happens to my policy? In the next 10 to 20 years, your coverage could look completely different. Right now, you buy auto insurance to protect yourself financially if you're at fault, but in a driverless future, it's not you, it's the car. That means more lawsuits targeting Tesla, Waymo, or Ford rather than individual drivers. That could mean lower rates for drivers, but there's a big but. Yes, autonomous cars may reduce the number of accidents. In fact, the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration estimates 94% of serious crashes are due to human error. That's a big chunk automation could eliminate, but the severity of those accidents is climbing. A regular fender bender today, about $2,000. The same scrape on a driverless car is closer to $20,000. Thanks to lighter sensors and advanced electronics. Think about it. Replacing a cracked windshield on a Honda Civic used to cost $300. On a Tesla Model 3 with autopilot cameras, it's closer to $1,500 to $2,000. Critics, let's call them the bears, argue autonomous vehicles equal fewer accidents, fewer claims, shrinking insurer profits. But Bank of America says not so simple. Accident frequency is dropping, yes, but accident costs are exploding. Case in point, according to AAA, replacing a bumper on a 2025 vehicle with advanced driver assistance systems can cost up to $5,300 compared to just $900 on a non-tech bumper. That's already happening today in today's cars, and we're only halfway to full autonomy. Translation: safer cars always equal don't always equal cheaper insurance. In fact, they often equal more expensive claims. Now, let's bring this home to Florida, where auto insurance rates are already among the highest in the nation. According to the Zebra's 2025 report, the average annual premium in Florida is about $3,100, nearly double the national average. If autonomous cars roll out here, liability may shift away from you, which sounds great. But remember, those pricey repairs in our unique legal environment still drive up costs. Florida is a no-fault state with a very active tort system. That means even if you're not liable, insurers are still facing heavy medical claims, lawsuits, and now high-tech repair bills. So don't expect Florida premiums to magically cut in half. More likely, we'll see new policy options emerge. Hybrid personal commercial policies, endorsements for autonomous features, driveless use discounts or surcharges depending on who's in control, you or the AI. So big players like Tesla and Cruise are already running robo-taxis in California, Arizona, and Texas. Florida regulators have approved limited autonomous testing, but the big question is, when something goes wrong, who writes the check? Until laws catch up, you'll still need traditional coverage, but we may start to see exclusions, endorsements, or even brand new policy categories written specifically for autonomous cars. So keep your eyes on Florida legislator, because how Tallahassee decides liability could change your premiums overnight. So here are some takeaways. Don't assume your rates will tank overnight. Technology may cut accidents, but expensive repairs will balance the scales. Watch for redesigned policies. Liability shifts may mean personal coverage could evolve dramatically. Look for safety tech discounts. Insurers are already offering credits for adaptive cruise, lane keeping, and blind spot monitoring. Florida drivers especially pay close attention to legislative updates, because state laws will determine who pays what in the autonomous era. And that's your quick bite for today. Autonomous vehicles could reshape auto insurance in ways that surprise us. Maybe shifting the liability to manufacturers, maybe nudging rates lower, but almost certainly rewriting the policies we've known for decades. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe so you never miss a Quick Bite episode. And if you got questions about how emerging technology might affect your coverage here in Florida, reach out to us at the Isom Insurance Group. We're here to help you. Stay protected and save money. And remember, always review your policy carefully and talk to a licensed agent before making any insurance decisions. And hey, if there's a future insurance topic you'll like for us to cover, drop your ideas in the comments below. I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, drive safe, or maybe let your car drive you safe. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isominsurancegroup.com.